Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Messages open to blank screen or white screen problem in Google Messages application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Google Messages application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Google Message app. Update your Google Message application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 3. Open your Google Message application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Message opening to blank screen or white screen problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.